Okay, today I purchased a new firearm. And the one I chose was the Ruger Mini 14. So let's do an unboxing and take a look at her. Okay, well, before we look at the gun, let's look at the stuff in the box so I can get this box out the way. Okay, we got 9,000 stickers and other things that it came with. Ruger, sticker, and that, Ruger, okay. Thank you for purchasing our farm. Get 20% off, blah, 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 blah. And we got our manual. Ruger manual. Doom. And doom. Here we go. Okay. So, that's the manual. That's the stickers. Over here, it came with a few things that I am very glad that it came with. Of course, you got your lock. Never going to go on there. You got some Loctite, and you have your scope mount that you would put on top of the receiver for a scope. And it even came with some scope rings. And let me tell you, these things are heavy duty. There is weight to these suckers. They feel very premium quality. Yeah. Can you hear that? Yeah, they got some weight to them. And what's more, since I live in a free state, it came with 2 factory 20-round magazines. And they're made of steel. Kind of prefer the steel magazines. They feel a lot better in my hand, and they look a lot better, even though they're more expensive. Okay, we'll leave one magazine out. All right, let me put this box to the side and let's get to the good stuff. All right. Okay, here she is, my new favorite gun of all time. This Mini 14 came with a wooden stock. It might look synthetic, but it's actually made of wood, and they call this the speckled hardwood. And this is the tactical version. You see a little flash hider. Yeah, oh man, yeah. So it's got the M1 Garand bolt action, and I'm a fan. This is the first one I ever picked up and messed with, but I am a fan. And another thing I'm a fan of that some people don't like, but I love it, is this safety. I like having that sucker right there. You can get to it very easily, and it's very easy to remember. There is no, so with this one, to me, I mean, I guess the other one you can just memorize, you know, left or right is fire. But with this one, you always know if it's inside here, it's on safety. If you push it out, it's on fire. So that's what I appreciate about this design. And with this Mini 14, the magazines go in a little differently. With the regular AR, you would just push it straight in there, but this one's kind of got the rocking design. And you kind of have to insert it at a little bit of an angle and rock it back. But you know what? It may take a little bit more practice to get used to it, but what I do like about it, more than the regular AR, is it has a very satisfactory click. And yeah, I'm a fan of that click. I like to know for sure that the magazine is inserted. And on my Springfield, you don't get that satisfactory click when you insert the magazine. It just kind of click. It just barely does it, and you can't really tell. But with this one, you know for sure that the magazine is seated. So, yeah, I believe this is my all-time favorite gun. I know a lot of you won't agree with me, but to me, ergonomically, the original rifle look and stocks, to me, it's just superior to the AR pistol design. I mean, it's probably just because I grew up on, you know, rifles, with hunting and stuff like that. But to me, just having this kind of grip is so much better than having a pistol grip, because me specifically, I can operate this design a lot better and easier than I can manipulate a pistol grip design. So I know that's not true for everybody. I know, you know, some of you can be a lot better with the pistol grip design than the original stock, but I grew up with this kind of stock. So it suits me personally a lot better. Like I said, it comes in 5.56 NATO, but you can also shoot .223 out of this one with no problem. I hear there's a little bit of an accuracy issue with the Mini 14s, but that is the older models, and this is definitely a new model. This is a serial number 584 model. I should not have any accuracy issues with this one. And I don't care if it's 2 MOA or 3 MOA. That's still tight enough a group for me to hit what I want to hit. So even if that ends up being true and that's what it is, I'm fine with that. I'm very fine with that. Oh, you come visit me now, huh? Yeah. You want something. What do you want? You want a treat? I'll give you one after the video. But yeah, I just wanted to do an unboxing video of my new firearm, the Mini 14 Tactical 5.56 NATO. I will be going out to my camp in just a few days and do the first shots video. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Oh, okay, you gonna mess with the bullets now. I knew you was gonna mess with them at some point. Hey, look at me. Okay. Okay, now you're jocking them off the thing. Okay, you're a horrible person. You know that? You're a horrible cat. That's a dangerous thing. She don't care.